Morning, ladies and gents. Welcome to the Twin Hills project for Osino Shine Ring. We are really very excited about this project, and the Twin Hills project got its name from those two hills that you see in the background there. That's actually where the first gold was found, but then later on, with a lot of geological work, geological drilling in this area, we found a much bigger deposit right behind you. And if we turn around, you can see this area where the drill rigs are drilling currently. Very big ore body was found under that calcrete layer there. And as we speak, we're now going into the construction phase of this mine, which will take about 2 years to complete. So it's a very big project, or a big plant that has to be built here. And that plant, once it's completed, we'll actually be mining here for about 13 years as we stand now, and that may even be extended further, because as we go along, we're doing more exploration drilling to find more gold in the area. So very exciting times, and I think this is something that we as Namibians can be very proud of.